buddy. Oh, hi there. I'm so glad you could come and play. Let's see what our friends are doing today.
See, it floats. Oh, it's coming right to me. Hello.
Oh, hi, Baby Bop. Oh, hello, Scott. Hi, Allison.
Hi, Barney.
Hello.
Barney, come see my boat.
Okay. Oh, well, that's a fine-looking boat. What kind is it? Is it a motorboat? Or is it a sailing ship? Rocking and rolling on the wavy sea? Ahoy there, matey.
It's a little pretend boat I made from a milk carton. Can't you see it?
Of course, Baby Bop. I meant, what kind are you pretending it is?
Oh, gee, I don't know. I just made it so it could float in the water.
Oh, and there it goes, gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, that is a nice boat.
Row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, I have an idea. What if we sing around?
Oh, sing around what, Barney?
Not around anything, Baby Bop, but a musical round.
How do we do that?
Well, you and Scott start singing, then Allison and I will start singing a little bit later. That's called a round.
Okay.
Let's give it a try. Whoa.
Row your boat gently down the stream.
Row your boat gently down the stream.
Merrily,
Merrily, merrily, merrily, life is but a dream.
Oh, now it's your turn to start first.
Okay. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Life is but a dream.
Oh, good job.
That was fun. Thanks, Barney.
Bye, Baby Bob. See you later, Barney.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Barney. Hi, Sissy. How's it going?
Hi, DJ. Hi, Red.
Hi. Did you see my boat?
Boy, that boat's tippity-top, baby boppity bop.
Thank you. I made it myself. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
I have always dreamed of riding in a great big boat. And maybe someday I'll get to.
Oh, if you could ride in a big boat, what kind would it be?
I don't know. The kind that floats?
Whoops.
There are lots of different kinds of boats, Sissy. Really? Well, like what?
Well, follow me, and I'll show you.
Come on. I'll see you later, little boat. Stay right there.
I think you'll be surprised to see how many different kinds of boats there are. Maybe we'll find one that's just right for you. Here we go.
Oh, look at that. It's a speedboat, Sissy. Oh, that's a long, skinny boat.
Well, it's long and skinny, so it can go very fast.
Yeah, a boat like that can zoom right across the water.
Oh, I don't like zooming so much. What else is there?
Okay, let's see. Oh, here's a fishing boat. It goes slow, so you can catch lots of fish.
No, thank you. Too smelly. I just want to ride. I don't want to fish.
Right, Oh, this is a special boat called a submarine. Oh, it goes underwater.
Under the water?
Oh, that's right.
No, thank you. I want to stay on top of the water.
Okay, well, let's see what others we can find.
Oh, what's that one, Barney? Ooh, that's a sailboat. Those big white triangles are called sails, Sissy.
Oh, that's right. The wind blows into the sails and pushes the boat across the water.
I think that boat is my favorite.
Hey, I just had an idea. What if we make a big sailboat for Baby Bop?
Riff, we can't build a real sailboat.
We can do the next best thing, Beej. Yeah?
Okay. We'll see you later, guys.
Oh, okay.
Barney, come here. Will you keep her busy for a while?
Oh, okay.
Oh, thanks. You're the best.
Mine is nice, but there sure are lots of different boats. Do you have a favorite, Barney?
I don't know if I can choose just one. What about you? What kind of boats do you like?
Sailing,
Sailing over the bounding main, for many a stormy wind shall blow till we come home again.
sailing, sailing
Over the bounding main,
for many a stormy wind shall blow till we come home again. Till we come home again.
a sailor went to sea, to see what he could see.
But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea.
A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see.
But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. I've got to get this thing done. Riff, can you help me with this? Riff!
Oh, hold on, Beach. I want to pick out the perfect horn for Baby Bob's boat.
Do boats have horns?
This one's going to...
Oh.
Ooh, do you like the sound of this?
Yeah, well, that's a trumpet, Riff, not a boat horn. Now, could you please help me with this sail?
Well, listen to this. No, saxophones don't make very good boat horns.
Riff, don't think I can hold on much longer.
Ooh, look at this one. Wowzer.
Wow, look out. Oh, wait.
Peach, where'd you go?
What?
Let's stop playing around and I'll help you finish this boat. Oh, we don't have much time.
Okay, get this off me, please. This is gonna be so cool.
Yeah.
Together, building together. It's so much fun, as you can see. Together, whenever we're together, it's a great time for you and me. Nothing can stop us when we get together.
Every day and every night.
Building together, anything is possible.
When you're here, things turn out right.
Together, building together. It's so much fun, as you can see. Together, whenever and me. Nothing can stop us when we get together.
Every day and every night.
Building together, anything is possible. When you're here, things turn out right. Oh, yeah. Together, building together. It's so much fun, as you can see. Together, whenever we're together, it's a great time for you and me.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna love it.
I think you're right.
Are you ready, Baby Bob? Yes! Surprise! Oh, it's so pretty!
Oh, it's a super duper sailboat.
Oh, what? Oh! Just like the one in the picture!
We made it for you, Baby Boppity Bop.
Out of boards and boxes!
Yeah.
Oh, BJ Riff, it's like my dream come true! Thank you! Oh, you're welcome!
What a very nice thing to do.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go sailing!
Oh, Baby Bop,
Yes?
I think there's something missing.
What's that?
Well, if we're going to set sail, we need to look like sailors. Oh, ahoy there, mateys. I think it's time to set sail aboard Captain Baby Bob's boat.
I'd love to sail on a sailing ship and sail away to sea. Sailing, the sailing life for me. Sailing, the sailing life for me. We'll feel the waves go up and down. The wind will blow us round and round. We'll wave hello
To the ships we know when we go out to sea. Arr!
I'd love to sail on a sailing ship and sail
the whales and dolphins play, splashing in the salty spray.
As we float on our beautiful boat when we go out to sea. I love to sail on a sailing ship and sail away to sea. Sailing, sailing, the sailing life for me. Sailing, sailing, the sailing life for me. I'm queen of the world! Oh, that was fun! Now I'm ready for a fast boat.
Oh.
You are?
BJ Riff, would you please help me make it? What? I want a speedboat this time. Long and skinny and very fast.
Oh,
We can build it on my wagon. Oh, well, come on, Riff. Let's go make another boat.
All right. Bye, Barney.
Bye, Barney.
Bye-bye. See you later. Oh, I had a great time sailing with you today. It was certainly nice of BJ and Riff to build Baby Bop her very own boat. It's always fun when we do something special for the people we love. I love you, you love me.